Of the 3 dental workers in this room, only 2 are in the Air Force.
Being a military spouse in Korea, it's a little difficult to find a job. So I decided to help the military, the community, and to better myself by being a Red Cross volunteer.
She is one of just 5 volunteers chosen to go through the 6-month-long dental assistant program.
They're training firsthand with an active duty technician until the provider that they're working with determines that they have a good enough baseline to be on their own. Once their training is up to speed, then they're absolutely able to be on their own just like us.
After just 1 month of training, Anne-Marie enjoys her new role and will continue to save the smiles of her Air Force family throughout her Korea tour. Technical Sergeant Jenna Armstrong, Osan Air Base, South Korea.